Praveen. In this video we are going to be seeing about what is going on in Afghanistan. Why their own members in Afghanistan who all live, they're trying to escape from Afghanistan. And who are the Taliban? Why are they trying to kill Afghanistan peoples? And what's going on? What's wrong with them? We are going to be seeing everything in this video detailedly, and we are going to be even see what is the problem with America and Taliban. So don't skip this video. But before that, our subscriber is secret. New subscriber, you are seeing this. Remember my secret. Subscribe to It's Praveen channel, like this video and share to everyone in your contact. Let's get started. First things first, if you want to know what happened, we must go behind 20 years. Why? Because there only the story starts. Before 20 years, in those time, America and Russia was the left country, we can say like that, and all the time those country will be all the time being fighting on any reasons. Like those time they will be fighting, and what the America decided about, we need some secret agency to attack Russia. So for that, what they did was to prepare some secret agency. They can do it in their country, so they decided to do the agency in Afghanistan. In Afghanistan, there only Americans came to Afghanistan, and what they did was they came and then they just told to them, we will teach you how to hold a gun and how to drive a flight, and we'll teach you all the things about the military. We will give jobs to you guys, so you can also become a richer country. They just changed their mind, and then he just went there. And what had happened was they just taught everyone for next 2 years. They were teaching, and then what happened was America decided this is just a waste of time. No need to do like this. We can return back to our country. They can't just like that return back to their country, right? So they must put some blame on them. So what they did was they told that Afghanistan is a terrorist country. Look at them, they all look like a terrorist. This country is really a terrorist country. This is a bad country. No one should give them water or food. We must not give anything to them. This is a terrorist country. So all the country decided that this is a terrorist country. And then what happens is, for next 2-3 years, all Afghanistan members were became so poor. And then what happened is, at that time there was one person called Osama bin Laden, and what did he got really angry with these Americans, because you only taught us how to hold this gun. How can you tell us we are a terrorist? So what he did was, here in those time in New York, there was like a tallest building, and what he did was he just bought up 2 flights. They know to drive a flight, right? Because Americans only taught them. So what did he did was he just bought up 2 flights and he just crashed it, and then all the building, just who are all living there, all the staffs just died in a second. Like more than 3,000 staffs just died. And then there the problem starts. What happened is, this is what I'm telling is not now, before 20 years, like just 1, 2, 3 years, like 18 years or 17 years before. And then what happened is, America got really angry with these guys. So what he did was, all the American agency came to there, and then to Afghanistan. Came to Afghanistan, and what they did was they just inquired everyone who did this, and everyone that. And he just inquired everyone, and then he told that only did it. And everyone told that he is in Pakistan. He just escaped. He escaped to Pakistan. What he did was, and then American everyone went to Pakistan. They just landed above his house, and then all the people just came down, and then they asked him, only one person who did this, right? They just asked, and he told, yes, I only did this. And all the American got really angry with him. And then they asked, do you have any last wish? And he told that the Taliban are the great. He just told like that. And then they just shooted like 56 bullets on his body, and he just died. And after that, what happened is, to be frank, Taliban is like a caste. They are like how Hindu, Christian and Muslim, like the Taliban is a caste. And what happens is, what they did was, America was ruling Afghanistan, and what happened is, America was ruling Afghanistan, and those times nearly 20 years continuously, all the military agents, Like past 1 year they can be, 2 years they can be, or 10 years they can be. They were like 20 years all the military was there. And then Donald Trump comes. And then what happened is that after Trump comes, every public got really angry with the prime minister and the government. How can still long, why he is there? I want my child back. Like the military's family got really angry. My child went in 20 years, now he's 40 years, I want to see him. Everyone got angry. And then everyone, another team like this, they were telling that you already killed, they killed us, you killed them. That's more, all shouting like in 2019 or 18, those period time. And then Donald Trump told that everyone to come back, and they decided that's okay, let us send them back. And then all the military wanted, and there comes the Taliban was not destroyed. They were like, few of them were in Pakistan and China, or the hiding in Afghanistan itself. And then what happens is then Taliban's everyone get together, and then China and Pakistan are supporting Taliban's. Like what you did was correct only, you again fight with them, come on, you can do it. They were just like they were giving key to Taliban's. And China was giving some guns and some materials to like nuclear bombs, like those bombs to Taliban's. And currently now what happening is China and Pakistan are celebrating Taliban's. What they did was a really brave thing. They did an awesome job. Like that, they were just like encouraging them. And then what happens is, which is currently now what Taliban's are doing are, now they are ruling Afghanistan, because Americans went back. We don't know anything, they just left them. We don't know anything, you take care, we are going. They just left them. And then now what Taliban's are doing is they are shooting Afghanistan themselves, peoples who were supporting to America. But Indians, few people were living in Afghanistan, right? Indians, every country they'll be surrounded. And then what did our prime minister did was he sent few flights to Afghanistan to send back our peoples, our Indian peoples. At those time what happened is Afghanistan, they themselves people were holding their tires, flight tires. They were just holding the tires. I want to escape from Taliban, I want to escape from Taliban, because they were supporting to America, right? So they were just holding the tires, or they were sitting outdoor of the flight. Imagine, so they were sitting outdoor of the flight while taking off. All the people were just fallen down, and then they just died. So this here where the video ends, but the story does not end. I have made this video, I have made this news how smaller as I can. If you search this in the Google, it will be something, it will become a big story. If you want to learn more, you can search in the Wikipedia or in the Google. There is a video also, I'll put it in the description. So if you guys liked this video, give a big thumbs up for this video. And thank you for watching our video, and remember our secret. Bye.